This is the original personal safety siren, designed to keep you safe and give you peace of mind wherever you go. It's compact, lightweight, and easy to carry on your keychain. With just one pull, it emits a powerful 130 decibel alarm, loud enough to draw attention from a distance. And with a built-in LED flashlight, it's also perfect for walking at night, unlocking doors, or finding your way in the dark. Outdoors, this device becomes even more valuable. If you ever feel unsafe or face an emergency, simply activate the siren. The sound and strobe light can startle strangers, call for help, and deter potential threats. With up to 70 minutes of alarm time and convenient Type-C charging, it's always ready when you need it. Small, powerful, and reliable, the original personal safety siren is your everyday companion for safety and confidence.